How to sell event tickets on your Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. Very simple, so let's just go and get to it. First, we will need to just install a third-party application, which is for free. So we can just go to the apps section, click on add apps, scroll down until you find Shopify App Store and just go to it. From the Shopify App Store, we're going to be searching for AV, events and tickets. So it's going to be this one right here. Click on it and you should be able to find it right away. And you can even check out the pricing. It is free to install and it's going to be $1 per ticket processed with the light version. You can even upgrade for more features. You can read more about it down here. But anyways, just go and click on install and just go and click on install one more time. And now all we need to do is actually create the event and the tickets for them. So make sure you open up the application and click on create event, either here or you can see it on the top right corner. So you're going to have the default details for the event. So as you would expect, the event name, the date of the event, so when it's actually going to be happening. You can select one-time event, reoccurring event, or no date yet. I believe the reoccurring one is going to be a part of a premium plan, not the free one. So you can just select one-time event if you're using the free one. Although you start with a free trial anyway, so you can use this one just to try it out. So select the time and date for it. So the date and also the start time and end time. Next up, you're going to have the location. So by default, you're going to add the actual physical location. Or you can even go for an online one. So if it's a meeting, you can just go and select online. And then you would need to provide the link to the actual event. Now, adding the link to it, I believe is going to be within the settings. So you can just leave it as online for the time being, and we can just add the link later on. Next up, we have the event visibility. So I'm just going to obviously make it visible. And lastly, here we have the ticket types. So you're just going to set up a price for it and how many you are going to be selling. Now, if you're wondering where you can add the rest of the types, you can do it later on from the actual product page, because this whole thing is going to actually be a product within your products in Shopify. So once you're happy with all of these settings, you can just click on save event. So once you actually save it, you're going to be able to check on all the different events that you have. And once you click on any of them, you're going to have these options for them. So first is going to be the event settings. Here you can adjust any of the options that we already did use and set up, or you can even scroll down. You're going to have more options down here. Next up, you can just go to tickets and you can add the ticket types from here as well as the product page. So it's up to you where you actually want to add them from. So if you want, the default one is general admission. If you want to add another one, just click on add ticket type and just go ahead and give it a name, price point, and how many you want in the inventory. And click on save once you're happy with these settings. After you add your ticket types here, you can customize different pages, how it's going to actually look like for your customers after they purchase the tickets. So for example, the page. So this is going to be the page that shows up right after they actually purchase the ticket. Also, you can adjust how the PDF ticket looks like and so on. If you even set them up to begin with, because these were a part of the settings from here. And lastly, if you did actually set it up to be a virtual event, you just want to click here and add the link right over here. Just first select the platform that you were going to be using and just go and select it from here and add the URL to it. Now, once you're happy with everything, just make sure you save all the changes that you did, and you are going to be able to find it within the products section. And again, you can just feel free to adjust it from here. So you can adjust the images, you can adjust the ticket types. All of these things are going to be in here. The ticket types are pretty much the variants. So you can just add variants from here and add the price point and how many are going to be available. Now notice this is a little bit glitchy because I did say 100 and it shows as 0. So anyways, this is pretty much how to sell event tickets on Shopify. It is very easy and simple to do, as you can see. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.